Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to POCO C55. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then you need to set it up by clicking on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of POCO. Also on Nokia, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can pick all of your files to transfer. When you're done, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on POCO, allow camera access in the pop-up, and point your POCO's camera at the code. If you want to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. Finally, after a couple of seconds, I can see that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!